Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Scanning is one of my least favorite activities, especially when it comes to multi-page documents. Blech. If you're like me, I'm sure you'll be equally excited to learn that the Google Drive app on Android phones has the scanner built in. So you can scan and save even multi-page documents to Google Drive from a single interface, saving you quite a bit of time. Let's check it out. On your Android phone, open the Google Drive app. Access the folder you want to save the scan to. Getting into the habit of creating content in the folder where it will need to live will save you hours of organization over the years. Click the plus sign and select Scan. Use the plus pages icon in the bottom left corner to add more pages. Tap Save when done. So, what is your favorite method of scanning and saving to Google Drive? Drop me a comment. If you find these videos helpful, please like and subscribe. If you click the bell, you will also get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.